Welcome back, everybody, to another episode, and today we are out on Spooner Lake up here in northern Wisconsin here. Finally, we got out on the water, guys. This morning, we went to go launch at a different lake, and on my father-in-law's boat, his Fulton F2 winch, I was trying to loosen it, and it actually broke. So we couldn't launch the boat. We did have my boat there, but we wanted to figure out that winch situation. So we didn't get to fish this morning. We ended up running all the way back and basically all day today trying to find, a winch for that boat. And we ordered one off of Amazon. We shipped it to this address up here at this cabin that we're staying, so that should be coming here on Monday. But today we're out on my rig just this evening, and we're gonna go on Spooner Lake here. We've been here once before, and we're just gonna go out and see if we can get on a good bite this evening and just see if we can't catch some bass today, at least end the day fishing and catching something. Okay, so father-in-law's coming. He's just grabbed the chest mount here because I forgot that in the truck. So, but like I said, guys, we're gonna see if we can't catch some good old fish today. So stay tuned. There we go. That's a good one. Guys, we just got out here. Sorry if the audio's messed up. I didn't even get that in there, but here, let's throw them in the live well. Guys, we just got out here and James already boated a fish. We just got to the first spot. Kind of ran around the lake a little bit with the boat just because I haven't got to get used to running at full speed yet. So I just got out here now, and I'm gonna get a rod in the water and hopefully bag one here. So I'm just gonna grab a swim jig right off the bat here. I'm not even gonna grab anything else just yet. We're just gonna start out with one of these Super K swim jigs here. Just all white. We're up here. It's pretty clear water. It's a little more stained than usual, but than last time. I mean, last time it was a little cleaner, but still pretty clean. Really got her in there, yeah?
Oh, I got her in there. This is a good one. That's the 116.
I got him yet? There we go.
Got him?
Yep. Took a second there. Oh, he just came off. Dang it, man. Lost my tail. I had one. He hit it and hit it and hit it. And
yeah, mine hit it twice and then really grabbed it.
I think I kind of set a little too early. There we go. Yeah, it's a decent one. Yep. That's why I felt good. Pike. And my pliers out of underneath. There we go. First one is a pike for me. I watched my swim jig drop right into it. So you see all this little popping, but it's all those little, oh, there's a bite right there. There we go. Yep. Pike. Another pike. Look at that. It's kind of cool to watch them in the water, though. Another pike there, guys. Let's hook them up to the plate. These guys do not fight hard, these pike up here. Look at that. Is he cold?
Oh, yeah.
There's a pike, guys. I'll tell you what, these pike do not fight hard up here, guys. When we are on the Mississippi River, you hook into a pike and they will fight like hell. And up here, these pike just do not fight hard. I mean, he didn't even hit it hard either. Like on the Mississippi, you catch them, they will rip into your swim jig, whatever you're throwing.
Come on. Get him?
Yep. Oh, I just lost him.
I think we need to move in further then.
Holy crap, man.
Yeah, both the car, man.
How many of those have I gotten, man? I'm just messing stuff up left and right. Dang it, man.
Got a lot of extra line all wrapped around fucking Lily.
There we go.
Keep going, man.
There we go. Finally. Not a bad fish. There you go. Not a bad guy at all. Not bad at all. Sure you don't want a frog? Not bad. First one for me. My goodness. Start restocking it.
Restock.
Yep. That's not a bad fish either. First one for me, guys. Honestly, I didn't think that these bass would be sitting in the these weeds, honestly, or in this thicker stuff. Thought they'd be pushed out more a little bit with the cooler water temps.
Get that in, give me a frog.
Oh my God. Got him?
Yep.
Is he good?
No, because that big.
Just couch fishing over there. Oh, it's a pike.
It's a pike.
There you go.
You got her though.
Got it? Alright guys, so the GoPro died right as we did that, but got a little pike out of there. There we go.
Good one.
Oh yeah, it's a pretty good bass. Just trying to stay down. There we go. There we go. Another good one. Finally, I thought I seen something going on out here, and there we go. It's another good fish. Not too bad. Good one. Take it. There it is, guys. Just using a white Super K swim jig here. I really like this white color, and you know, I've caught quite a few pike off of this thing, and I'll say the skirt on this thing is just held up really, really well. That's a lot better than I can say about most swim jigs. If they get, you know, you catch a pike with them, your skirt gets torn up, but this thing's doing pretty well. That paddle tail got a little torn there, but yep. Just a little guy. Just a little guy on that one, though. We won't throw him in the live well, though. I think that's gonna wrap it up for tonight, guys. We've only fished this lake one time, so it wasn't too bad for fishing it, you know, one other time. We'll talk to you guys on the big camera. We'll show you the fish we caught. We kept the bigger ones that we caught. So we'll see you guys on the big camera. Hey guys, so there you seen it. It was kind of a tough day. I missed quite a few bites, but we only had like, I don't know, 3-4 hours to fish this lake. We've only fished it once before when we were up here last year. So not a lot of experience out here. We did catch some fish. We put our 3 biggest in here. We'll show you guys those fish and we'll release them. And then I'll talk about, well, I'll just do that now. What we used to catch them today was pretty much a chatterbait. There's a white chatterbait and then a white swim jig, and the one was off of a frog. So I was using, but yeah, that's all we used to catch them today. And then now I'm gonna bust out these 3 guys, show them to you, and then we'll release them, and then we'll head out of here. There's one of them right here. He's not super huge by any means, but definitely not a bad fish right there. Throw him back. This one here. This guy right here, he's not bad. He was the biggest one. I think James caught this one right off the bat when we got out here. Like, I think it was like his first or second cast he caught this sucker right here. Not a bad fish at all. There are some bigger ones out here, but get this guy back. There he goes. And this guy right here, I think I caught this guy off of the frog. That's what this one was. And how I remembered him is he's just a little skinnier, but caught him off of a frog. He blew it up pretty good. So there you guys have it. Those are the fish right there. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Tomorrow we're looking to get out in the morning and hopefully do a little bit better than we did today. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, keep fishing hard.